Oh, you don't want this to be you, do you? No, of course you don't. Of course you don't. You want to be hearing your music in a hotel elevator. Oh. Grab success by the balls. I'll be at Madison Media Institute on Saturday the 13th of November giving out free advice. We're calling it the band tune-up. Your band probably doesn't need tuning up on stage. I'm willing to bet it needs a tune-up in terms of its business and the stuff that you're doing off of the stage to move your brand and your band forwards. You want to go up, don't you?